Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're solving one of the most frustrating tech issues, your soundbar not connecting to your TV. Don't worry, by the end of this video, your sound will be booming again. So make sure you watch till the end and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech fixes. Step 1. Check the basics. First things first, check the power and connections. Make sure your soundbar and TV are both turned on, and the cables are firmly connected. If you're using HDMI ARC, ensure the cable is plugged into the HDMI ARC port on both your TV and soundbar. For optical connections, double-check that the optical cable clicks into place. It should fit snugly. Step 2. Input and settings. Next, go into your TV audio settings. Select the output as soundbar/external speaker/HDMI ARC/optical, depending on your connection type. On your soundbar remote, choose the same input, for example, HDMI or optical. If you're using Bluetooth, make sure both devices are in pairing mode and within 1 to 2 meters. On your TV, go to Bluetooth devices and select your soundbar. Sometimes, deleting old paired devices can help the connection work properly. Step 3. Reset and firmware fix. If it's still not connecting, let's try a reset. Unplug both the soundbar and TV for 60 seconds, then plug them back in. For most soundbars, pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons for a few seconds will reset the device. Also, don't forget to update your TV and soundbar firmware. Outdated software can cause connection issues. Step 4. Extra tips and common mistakes. Avoid using very long HDMI cables. Keep them under 2 meters. Some TVs only support sound output via ARC, not regular HDMI ports. On Samsung or LG TVs, enable HDMI-CC, also called AnyNet Plus or Simplink. This feature allows your TV to control the soundbar automatically. And that's it. Your soundbar should now be connected and working perfectly. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Drop your TV and soundbar model in the comments, and I'll reply with personalized tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.